What is happening now? Now, yeah, so you can walk slightly forward. Yes, now you can grab it. So what we are doing it? We have to work on the back, but we are working on the leg because this leg is attached to the lower back, and because of the stiffness of the leg, the lower back is contracted and we need expansion in the lower back. Clear? So the approach demands the anatomical study of your body, how the body is made. Suppose one eye is here and another one eye is here. What happens? What happens? Imbalance? There will be no balance. Then how will be the drishti? How will be the gaze? It will be disturbed. So it's all about balancing one right and left. That is your learning. Whenever you are taking one step forward, check your back step, how it is. Now bending the knee, keeping your back foot fixed and shifting forward. Sink down. Relax the face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaning to the posture means leaning on the manager and not taking the responsibility. What is the joke? Leaning on the posture means you are giving your responsibility to others. So we should avoid that. We should be independent and take the responsibility. Delegate this responsibility. So be away from the posture. Be away from the posture. Do not lean on the posture and don't do this. Inhale and come back. Exhale and relaxed. Okay. Now very effective. Now we are coming on the lower back pain or lower back strengthening. Sitting to the side of the chair and you are sitting, speech and 5 minutes. So what you have to do is you have to just stand on your arch brick. See that the arch of the brick and your arch of your foot is getting relation. Yeah. Is this working? Yes, ma'am, kindly remove the socks, otherwise you will fall. Yeah, there, back of the class. Now, when you have raised your toes, maybe you are shifting back, but the effort has to shift forward. So when you are shifting forward, your glute muscles, which is also attached to your back muscles, will be engaged. And when I'm talking about pure circulation and impure circulation, when I'm talking Ganga and I'm talking pond, why the pond is impure and why the Ganga is pure? It is because of the circulation. So to create the circulation, the body has to be active. And when you are keeping your foot on the arch brick, the technology is that circulation is happening in your blood. Happening? Yes. And if you just increase the circulation of your body, not by moving, by the techniques, will purify the body. What is the science of purification of your blood? Oxygen comes to the blood. How? You inhale through the nostril. Heart is a pump. Heart will pull the blood. Come on. Heart will pull the blood from all parts of your body, and oxygen will mix with the blood, clear, inside the lungs and purification happens. Am I right? A simple process. आपको पता है? Everyone knows this. That how our blood becomes pure. पता है? पता है ना? Hands up. Keeping your legs wider. And then from here, take the hands back. 1. So out of 200 asanas, maybe we will be teaching only the 4 or 5 asanas of each props. 6. It's like you are eating multiple varieties of food and experiencing it, how it opens your body, and once the body is open, the mind is open, then the intelligence increases. Keep holding. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Why this jacket? We need ventilation, right? 6, 7, 8. What is happening, sir? The chest is opening. What is happening to the shoulder blade? Shoulder blade is getting closer. These blades are touching each other. Correct? 6 and 7. Inhale and come back. Exhale and release. Doing the left side. Right is done. Go to the right side of your mat. Then turn your right foot inward. Turn out the left foot. Standing stick. Open the body. Alignment. Geometrical alignment. Turn the left foot outward. Bring your right foot to the end of your mat, to the right side. Fix your right hand. Fix the right foot. Open the right hand. Now from here, shoulder and wrist in one straight line and extending the right side of the body. Pressing the right side of the body to the floor and holding the posture. Keeping your hands shoulder distance apart. Not turning to the wall. Not turning to the wall, facing to the mirror, sir. 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which side of the body is stretching?
Right side.
Right side. Turn the left foot outward. Breathing. When you are inhaling, what is happening to the tummy, sir? When you are inhaling, what is happening to the tummy?
Goes in.
Goes in? Wrong. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. When you inhale, what happens to the balloon? When you put air in the balloon, what happens to the balloon? Expands. Simple, right? When you take oxygen, the tummy has to expand. It should not go in. Clear? When you remove the air out from the balloon, it has to shrink. Now, keeping your hand active with your stick, take your right palm on the tummy. I'm teaching you the breathing, how to breathe. 90% of the people do not know how to breathe. When you inhale, you expand your tummy and then stop. It's a square breathing. This is your inhale, and then this is your hold. Exhale and hold. There are 4 elements of breathing. Inhale, pause. Exhale and pause. How many times we breathe in a minute? 12 to 16 times in a minute. If you reduce the number of breathing, you increase the number of life. Did you see the dog breathing? So their life is 12 to 16 years. So what we have to work on, we have to reduce the number of breath by drawing a bigger square with our body. Now, we are learning a square breathing. Placing your palm on the navel, inhale and expand your tummy slowly. Nicely like a balloon. Expand. Is the chest is also expanding when you are expanding the tummy? Yes? So the pressure from down, it giving the pressure from chest to the chest. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Your all internal organs are also expanding? Yes. So it is a stretching then. Now from here, start exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suck the navel nicely. Suck your navel. Suck the navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Relaxed. You need 3 years time to learn this, but you need to devote time. Chaliye. You can keep the stick now. One posture on the mat called mountain. You see how to do it. You will raise your heels and raise the tailbone. Not doing this. Raise your heels, get your head between your arms and hold this posture. Yeah.
बीच में करवाओ यार ये टीम बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटी
The posture name is mountain. Raising your heels, inverted V. 2. Do not round the spine. Raise your heels, shift to your thighs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look here, look to me. Holding the posture, look to me. Now from here, if your position is right, the distance between your hands and your feet, then if you shift the body weight more, exhale, 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 exhale. Raise your hands up, inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. Clear हो गया? Exhale, Buddha. Exhale, exhale. Wood cutter, cutting wood. Exhale, 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 exhale. We have to make bed. For that we have to cut the wood. You need to make bed for yourself. Cut the wood. Relaxed. So, tongue out and exhale. Wait, breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. This was very famous during COVID. Exhale. Breathing in, great. Nice. Ritesh, same. So today's your meeting will be successful, I think.
I can't come up though.
No, don't worry. Be there. You have to do meditation. Find your spirit.
If I want to come up,
Sir, you can relax down. Yeah, take the head forward. Yeah, close your eyes. Keep relaxing. So your blood is going towards the head. So kindly close your eyes and absorb that energy. मुझे नहीं लगता है जल्दी से हो पाएगा. करे? पूछे रितेश से. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Relax. 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 Ritesh, you need to take the picture of the meditative mind. The idea was to bring the meditative mind from the animal mind. The journey from Pashu to Pashupati is yoga. All together makes divide the chanting into 70, 20 and 10. A 70, U 20, Ma 10. Breathe in. Breathe in. The last one, breathe in. Follow the mantra. Trayambakam yajamahe. Repeat. Trayambakam yajamahe. Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityurmukshya Mrityurmukshya Mamritat